Hello friends, today in this video I'll show you how you can use Sonic library to create a talking avatar for your YouTube channel or Instagram channel. Earlier there was no support for ComfyUI for this library, but recently the ComfyUI support like the ComfyUI wrapper for this library is released, so you can test it out as well. In this video I'll show you how you can configure this library in your ComfyUI and test it. I will quickly show you the workflow. So this is the workflow here, and the nodes are like I'll just explain the what all the nodes are doing. So this is the checkpoint loader nodes, and the difference from the normal checkpoint loader node is that this one is specifically to load the SVDX checkpoints. So you can see for this model we are using this SVDX checkpoint, and it will have the output like model, clip vision and VAE. So you don't have to use any separate VAE. And there are this Sonic T loader node and this Sonic pre-data, and there is one Sonic sampler, and in the end like I'm kind of combining the images into video. And here you have to load the avatar image here, and this one is for to load the audio file. And the workflow is very simple, and this is the GitHub code for this uh, ComfyUI. So the earlier the Sonic library, it was developed in Python, and recently someone developed this library for ComfyUI. So if you scroll down here, you will see the installation process, like how to install it. And to install this library you can click on the ComfyUI manager, and you can search for this Sonic, this one. So if you search for Sonic, it will come here, and this one ComfyUI underscore Sonic, this one you can install it from your this custom node manager. And once you install, just restart your ComfyUI instance, so that will be enough. And to download the models, they have mentioned the folder structure here. So what I have seen, like you have to keep the folder structure like this, same like this only. Otherwise you may face difficulties, like this library will not be able to pick the models if you are not keeping the models inside this correct folder. And they have also provided the link to download the models. But in case you need the URL to download the models quickly, so just let me know in comments, I'll provide the link for that. And this is the SVDX checkpoint. You have to download this one also and keep it like inside this checkpoints folder. And I will show you the folder structure also. uh, if you go to your ComfyUI, and then it should be inside models, and there will be one Sonic folder created like this. And here you have to download the all the models, same like this. Your yellow face unit audio 2 token audio 2 bucket model should be here inside Sonic folder, and whisper tiny model should be inside this whisper tiny folder. And here you only need this model.septensor config file and the preprocessor config file. These three are only required, but you can simply, when you are downloading, just you can download the complete repo. So that's what I have done. Like I generally download it using Hugging Face CLI. So that's why like I try to download it all together. But folder structure you should keep as it is, like the way you see it here. And the riff model should be inside this riff folder. Flownet.pickle file, it should be inside this folder. So once you download all the models in respective folders, you can go to your workflow and just uh, select the models, respective models, and only there is a option to only select the SVDX model, and rest of the models, this sonic tree loader, uh, this one is loading the unit model here, and the rest of the models, it is being picked up by this sonic pre data model. So in case you are making any mistake on the folder structure, in that case you may get error on this node. So make sure the folder structure is same as it is mentioned in comfy in GitHub repo. So if you keep the folder structure as it was mentioned in GitHub, you will not see any error or something. And you have to load the audio here. So uh, for my case, like I have loaded the 38-second audio, so I have to change this duration. By default the duration will be 10 seconds, so whatever the length of your audio will be, so based on that you just change it. And in the end, like this is the video combine node. This is very easy, like to combine the images, and for the audio you can just connect it to your audio node. And for 10-second audio, it is almost taking like around for 7 minutes, and I am using the RTX 24 GB 4090 GPU. So with that, it is almost taking like 5 to 7 minutes for 10-second audio. But if you are using high-end GPU to 48 GB, in that case it will be faster. And if you see, for the 38-second audio, it took almost around 597 second. So this library, uh, it was released just 3 days back. So in that case, like you may face some issues like while installing, because just few days back they have released this library, so there may be issues when you are installing it in your ComfyUI. So that could be because of your ComfyUI version. So make sure you have the latest ComfyUI version, and before installing this models and this library, make sure you update the ComfyUI by clicking on this button. So after that, I hope you will not face any issues. And I have already generated one video with this workflow, so you can see I have already generated multiple videos, so I'm not going to run it again. And if you are facing any issues while installing this library, please comment. I will try to help you guys. Like if you need any assistance, just let me know in comments. And this library I have just tested this one, and there are other library also to generate like a talking avatar. So I will test those libraries also, and I'll show you the result, like which one is performing better. So for today, that's it guys. Thank you. Bye bye.